Hey guys, welcome back to Island 5 Cooking. Today's video I have something not different, but this is one of my favorite sandwich. I love tuna sandwich. Today we're making a basic tuna sandwich. It's not really a recipe, it's just the way I prepare it. So I am going to show you guys how I usually prepare my tuna, and I love tuna. I really love tuna. If you love tuna, let me know down below, and what do you like to add in your tuna. Be sure to subscribe if you're watching us for the first time for weekly videos, and give the video a huge thumbs up. Let's begin. I am using 1 can of tuna because it is only for me, and I am using the Chicken in the Sea. I believe that's the brand name, and I like the tuna in the water tuna because I don't like the other kind. So what we're going to do now, we're basically going to squeeze out the water. Make sure you squeeze it out really good. After I am done squeezing the water out, I am going to add some chopped green bell pepper, some chopped red bell pepper, some chopped parsley, and also I added some chopped onions, and I added some chopped pickles as well. Pickles is optional. I love pickles. And I am adding 1 boiled eggs in there. I could have chopped that a little bit smaller, but I didn't. And now I just added a little bit of lime juice and about ½ a teaspoon of ground black pepper. And of course, you add your salt to taste. You can add as much salt as you want. Okay, now I am going to add about 4 tablespoons of mayo. You can add as much as you want to, because I know a lot of people like mayo. Me, I don't personally like that much mayonnaise because sometimes it get kind of like watery and runny. I don't like that texture. So I added just a little bit, well enough to mix it together. And basically you can also add a little bit of hot sauce if you want it to be spicy. I wasn't trying to be extra in this video, so I didn't add any, but I did add some in my sandwich. And also be sure to give the video a huge thumbs up. Comment down below if you guys like tuna. I would love to know. And don't forget to subscribe if you're new. And I will see you guys on the next video. Bye guys.